Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to import bookmarks into Brave browser step by step. If you're switching from another browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox, you can easily bring your existing bookmarks into Brave. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser opens, click the menu icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Bookmarks and Lists, and then click Import Bookmarks in Settings. This will open the import window. Next, choose the browser you want to import from. For example, if your bookmarks are saved in Google Chrome, select Chrome from the list. Now you'll see several import options. Make sure Bookmarks is selected. If you want, you can also import browsing history, saved passwords, or autofill information by selecting those options. After choosing the items you want to import, click the Import button. Brave will copy the selected data from your previous browser. When the process is complete, click Done. To verify that the import worked correctly, open the Bookmarks bar or the Bookmarks Manager. You should now see all of your imported bookmarks inside Brave browser, and that's it. You've successfully imported your bookmarks into Brave browser, making it easy to continue browsing without losing your favorite websites. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Brave browser tutorials and technology guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.